Welcome to our channel. Today, we're reviewing the Garmin vívoactive 6, a colorful and smart fitness smartwatch priced at $299.99. We'll explore its features, performance, and value to help you decide if it's the right pick for your active lifestyle. The Garmin vívoactive 6 blends aesthetics with functionality. It features a bright AMOLED display, up to 11 days of battery life, 80+ built-in sports apps, smart notifications, and Garmin Pay. It works seamlessly with both iPhone and Android via the Garmin Connect app. In real-world use, the vívoactive 6 performs smoothly. The AMOLED display is vivid and easy to read outdoors, and the UI is intuitive. Battery life is excellent, though heavy GPS and music use may reduce it. Health tracking is robust with features like body battery trademark, sleep score, HRV status, and a sleep coach. Health and fitness tracking. The watch offers continuous heart rate, pulse ox, stress, and sleep monitoring. Fitness tools include animated workouts, Garmin coach plans, and support for a wide range of activities, from running and swimming to yoga and wheelchair mode. It supports smart notifications, text replies especially for Android users, Garmin Pay for contactless payments, and onboard music storage, making it a great companion for workouts and everyday use. Pros: stunning AMOLED display, long battery life, rich fitness features, smart notifications, contactless payments. Cons: no voice assistant or speaker, a slight learning curve, and some features like music services may require subscriptions. At $299.99, the vívoactive 6 is a strong mid-range smartwatch, perfect for fitness-focused users who want detailed health tracking and smart features without daily charging. Android users will get the most out of it. The Garmin vívoactive 6 offers a solid balance of smart features and fitness tools. While it lacks some high-end perks, it delivers excellent value for those seeking a reliable, health-focused smartwatch. If you found this review helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Comment below, does the vívoactive 6 fit your needs? See you in the next one and stay active.